To disable prioritize real-time data feature when using Wi-Fi network in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down to top of the screen and then tap setting icon, tap connection, and then tap Wi-Fi. Next, tap more icon or three vertical dot icon at the top right, and then select intelligent Wi-Fi, and then tap the blue on off switch next to prioritize real-time data to disable this option. When the switch turns grey, it means that this option is off. When this option is off, your phone will give the same network priority for all tasks in your phone, including with the background data usage. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.